everyone, welcome to Phonics with Miss Edmonds. Today the sound we're going to be learning is oi. Oi is a digraph made up of O and I. First we're going to listen to the Jolly Phonics song for the oi sound.
The sailors met upon the sea, oi, 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 oi. They found some oil way down deep, oi, oi, ship ahoy.
If you want to learn the song, just rewind that part of the video. If not, continue watching. Today we're going to play a game of buried treasure to read some words with the oi sound. Make sure you read them with me. Off we go. K, oi, n, coin. Is that a fake word or a real word? It's real, of course. Coin. Well done. Oi, moin. Have you heard of moin before? I haven't. Let's put it in the rubbish bin. Oi, oil. Yes, oil's a real word, isn't it? Into the treasure chest. Oi, hoin. No, not a real word. Into the dustbin. G, oi, goil. No, another fake word. B, oi, boil. Yes, boil's a real word, isn't it? It's how we can boil our potatoes to cook them. B, oi, boin. No, not a real word. J, oi, joil. No, I've not heard of that one either. Another fake word. K, oi, coil. Yes, coil is like a tight spring. So that's a real word. Last one. Oh, it's a long one. P, oi, poison. That was a hard one. It's a real word. Poison. Good job. Thank you for helping me read those words. For your activity today, you're going to need pieces of paper. I'm using post-it notes and a pen or pencil. And what you're going to do is you're going to walk around your house and find things that have the oi sound in them. So here's one I found already. Oil. So I've got my oi sound first and then my all sound at the end. And now I can put my label next to the oil. Wonder what else I'm going to find. Found some foil, some tin foil. So I'm going to have a go at writing foil. Oi, all. Pen's running out. Foil. So I will stick my label on foil. Here are some pictures to get you started with things you might find around your house or garden with the oi sound in. Have fun. Bye.